As you start collaborating on projects, the Teams tab will become your top destination. Teams is where you bring people together for a joint goal. And channels are the dedicated workspaces to brainstorm, find information, and track progress. Let's learn more about how channels make this possible. The first step is to bring everyone together. From the drop-down menu on the left panel, begin by adding people to the general channel, and to each private channel when only limited members should have access to information. Once you're in a channel, you can meet the team, post things for everyone to engage with, or create more channels when needed. When creating a post, use the Format option to craft content and clearly share your message with other members. Add a subject line, bullets, colors, and font accents. Or even insert tables to organize information. When you need to bring more attention to your message, turn it into an announcement using a customized header with colors or pictures of your preference. And if the situation requires immediate attention, mark your message as important with the accent mark on the Format panel. In channels, you can directly access, share, and collaborate on files related to your workgroup. When you share files in a post, they're automatically added to the File tab, so you don't have to scroll to look for them. Or you can also upload files directly to the Files tab when you have many to share. Create folders to organize files and have a central library of all documents relevant to the channel. Now that you know more about how Teams can help you share and organize information, let's talk about notifications. When you engage with many groups, the Teams tab can get busy at times. If you want to filter out the noise, adjust your notifications for each channel under the 3 dots next to the channel name. For the channels that matter most to you, choose to get alerts for all activity, like when anyone makes a post or replies to a comment. Or adjust them for all other channels to receive only limited notifications, like when someone replies to you or tags your name in a message. This allows you to get fewer notifications while never missing out on what's most important to you. To keep things organized, pin your most relevant channels to appear first on your list, or move them around to prioritize them according to your needs. You can also select to show the channels you need most and hide the rest. With Microsoft Teams channels, engage with your team, collaborate with ease, and keep things organized as you work together or on your own time.